Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by caramelizing your onions, the heart of any great French onion soup. In this video, I will show you how to make vegan French onion soup. This crucial step takes about 45 to 60 minutes, transforming 3 to 4 large yellow onions into a sweet, golden base. Use a large pot or Dutch oven with 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium-low heat. Stir them often to achieve that perfect, deep brown color and rich flavor. This patience will truly pay off in the final dish. Once your onions are beautifully caramelized, it's time to build the broth. Deglaze the pot with 1 cup of dry white wine, making sure to scrape up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom. Then, pour in 6 cups of a rich, high-quality vegetable broth. Add 2 sprigs of fresh thyme for an aromatic touch. Let this simmer gently for at least 20 minutes, allowing all the wonderful flavors to truly meld and deepen. Now for the iconic topping. You'll want to toast thick slices of a crusty baguette until they're golden and slightly crisp. Next, generously top each toasted slice with about 1/4 cup of your favorite shredded vegan Gruyere or mozzarella cheese. Carefully place these cheesy toasts on top of your soup in oven-safe bowls. Broil them for just 2 to 3 minutes, watching closely until the vegan cheese is beautifully bubbly and melted. Your incredible vegan French onion soup is ready to be served. Carefully ladle the steaming hot soup into individual oven-safe bowls. For a final flourish, sprinkle a little fresh chopped parsley over the top. It adds a lovely pop of color and a hint of freshness. Serve this comforting, savory, and rich soup immediately. It's perfect for a cozy evening and a truly satisfying meal that everyone will love.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.